Hey guys, Bobby the Fan Man here. Here's a 1981 Galaxy 2150 12-inch oscillating table fan. I picked this up at Goodwill on November 8th of 2023 for $10. This is the this is the one that is in better condition cosmetically. Both of my brown Galaxies run very well. That one is very sun damaged, but it runs very well. This one is not sun damaged at all, and it runs very well. But the blue one that I have, my blue 3150 Lasco Galaxy, that one is starting to show its age. The motor doesn't run as fast as it should, but it still runs just fine for now. This one has the kind of the I don't know what you would call it's like really weird colored brown blades. It's like a root beer brown, I guess you could call it. I don't know if it was like a root beer brown or kind of like a reddish brown. I don't know. But this one is an interesting one. When I first got this, the blades cannot come off because the original owner decided to glue the blades on for whatever reason. And I don't understand why, but it is what it is, whatever. It runs just fine, it's quiet, and so we'll start off on low, on no oscillation. Very quiet running fan, very powerful fans. These are very powerful fans. These fans are very iconic fans. I remember seeing these almost everywhere, mostly the blue ones, but I remember my grandma having a blue one growing up when I was very small. But the neighbor next door that I used to live at the other apartment had one, had a blue one. It was one of the ones with piano key buttons. And yeah, these are pretty iconic fans, and they last a long time. Here's medium. It's medium. It does not have the handle on the back, so I'm guessing, I don't know if it, this looks a lot like the blue one that I have, the way the motor cover is. I'm only guessing if it would have had it on the back of the guard or something, and it must have, came off. I don't know. But this is really not in yellow at all. Like, this one's actually in good condition. Here's high. We'll turn the oscillator on. It makes a little vibrating noise, but it runs really well. Very quiet. And moves a lot of air, as a lot of these do. My blue one's a little underpowered, but the two brown ones and the other brown, this brown one and the other brown one I have, runs really well and throws a lot of air. There's medium oscillation. And low oscillation. And OWS spells off. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, which is Bobby the Fan Collector. Have a great night, and God bless you all. Bye-bye.